Hey guys, have you ever had muffler problems? Probably you first recognized your muffler when you heard it making songs that you didn't like, loud sounds. Whenever a muffler gets a hold on it or breaks in some way, you start to know right away because it makes a ghastly, terrible sound. Anyway, my muffler was given trouble. They get red hot and they deal with a lot of the elements, and so at some point they tend to rust or break or whatever, especially if you're using your truck in the mud or have it augmented in some way. Your muffler is going to give you some problems, and usually the best way is to change it all out wherever it has a hole or wherever it's broken. But the thing is, mufflers are really expensive. This is my truck and you're going to see my muffler. You can see how it's rusting bad there. I have original Nissan parts on it, but you know, to go and change a barrel or anything on this truck is going to be really expensive. I tied it up with some wires to prevent it from totally falling off, but you could see where it came off from there. Now, if you go to a muffler service, they're going to insist that you change out the whole thing. For me, I just get them, if they're willing, to weld around it. That will give you actually another 2 years of life on your muffler. What do you normally do to get your muffler serviced or working again if it's shaking, broken, or have a hole? Do you replace it or get them to weld it?